Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
How are you? So today is second day of our speaking class. So today we will actually speak the topic. Okay? So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. जोश के साथ तो स्टार्ट करते हैं यहाँ से गर्ल्स साइड से, क्योंकि लेडीज फर्स्ट, तो लड़कियों को पहला नंबर दिया जाएगा बोलने का. तो आप लोगों को एक एक बारी बारी से बोलना है, अपना नाम बोलना है, उसके बाद आपको टॉपिक बोलना है. क्लियर? सो रेडी?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please
Good evening, everyone.
take it.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shweta Tomar. Today, I would like to speak over the education. Education play a very important role in all human beings' life. Because of education, we can do anything. We can do any type of work. Education is not only for getting a good marks in school exam or crack any type of exam. It is for experience. It is for increase our skills. It is for knowledge. If we have knowledge about anything or we aware about all things, so we also do any type of work. Even if we have not any type of job, we also start our own startup or we do any other work. Thank you.
Well done, well done. Please clap for her. Now the second one, please take it.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jyoti Kaur. So today I am talking about education. Education is a very important role in our life. Education means having a knowledge. If we have a knowledge, then we can do anything. If we are educated, then we can go anywhere and we can do anything. Without education, survive our life, it is too difficult. Education means your way of talking, your attitude, all this type of your skill development, all this type of come in education. If we have a not education, is just like a closed room. There is no having a entry or exit gate. We have a not knowledge about the world. Thank you.
Well done. Please clap for her. बहुत बढ़िया शानदार. नेक्स्ट चलिए आप बोलिए.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Gauri Mishra. Today we are talking over education. So education is very important in our life. By education we get knowledge, and by education it's change us behavior like how we are talking, how we are eating food, and our way of walking. And by education we can get a good job also, and when we are not having any kind of job, so when we are educated, so by education we can start our own startup, and we are educated, so it is not bad, it is good that we are educated.
Great.
So thank
Please
you.
clap for her. बहुत बढ़िया. Now your turn, please.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Parisani. Today I am talking about education. Education is important for our life because if we are educated, so we can change our life and we can develop our country also, and we also achieve our goals and which we want. And education is a weapon so for changing our life. Thank you.
Well done. Please clap for her. Okay, everybody spoke very well, and so once again, please clap for everyone. So next, I just want to move toward the boys' side.
Okay, so everyone talked about the importance of education, but I would like to talk about something different aspect of the education, like what happened in the history. We talk about the history, what happened. There was no education, so the pupils used to fight more and more on any topics. So if there was no education, there will be fight, and people will always argument and fight for each other. But if as far as the education is developed in all over the world, so the people just avoid the argument and they just take decision right, what is right or wrong, and when we have to fight or not, and they learn very useful things with the help of education and the time management and the people understanding the world. So the education is very important tools to survive the human life and to do very good works in our for our societies. So and in future education will be the main weapon for any country and for any human being to sustain their life. Thank you.
Well done. Spoke very well. Please. Now, next, please. Now, your turn. And please speak out. Boliye.
So, good evening, everyone. My name is An Singh. Today's topic, importance of education. So, education is very most important for us because if we have education, then we are handle the situation, and as Bhaiya said that because of education we are know the which words should be used the where on time, and which words not use the where on time. Because of education we are handle the situation, and because of education whenever we are going to interview interview for job, so that time we have that time we should have education, because education that time of education very good role,
Play very good.
play very good role, because we can take in example two men, and one man already selected manager department, and one man is selected security job. So that time because of education they people are select the government job. So my according to me education is
It's
must,
very important.
very must.
Okay, okay. Well done. Okay, now your turn, mister. Please speak out.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ashish Bagel. Today's topic is importance of education. Education provides stability in life, and it's something that no one can ever take away from you. By being well educated and holding a college degree, you increase your chances for better career opportunities and open up new doors yourself. Thank you.
Well done. बहुत बढ़िया. Fantastic. Next, your turn.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nikhil Sharma. Today I am here to deliver a speech about education. It is usually a belief that education is the foundation for all-round development. Life is based on development, and that developing and growing is life. If we describe this view into the perspective of education, we can sum up that education is the all-round development of the individual personality. Thus, education is nothing but all-round development of the individual personality. Education is a process of man making, hence education is a necessary for all. Thank you.
चलिए बहुत बढ़िया. Fantastic. Spoke very well. Okay. Next candidate.
Hello, good evening all. Today topic is, my name is Tanuj Rana. Today topic is education. Education is play important role in our life. Education mean is achieving world places justice, freedom, equality for all. Thus, education is extremely necessary for all. No good life is possible without education. In address the intelligence of human things, develop his skill and enable to him individual. Thank you.
चलिए. Well done. आगे दे दीजिए. चलिए.
Hello, good evening to everyone. Today I want to say some line important of education. So education play important role in our life. Without education, we cannot achieve our success. Education is an important tool for our bright future. It helps us to learn many new and good things. It increase self-confidence within us, and it develop our many skills. It helps us to become a better citizen. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Anshwan Sharma. Today topic is education. Education play a role important in our life.
Important role in our life.
Play important role in our life. Without education, we cannot achieve in our success. Education is important tool in our life of bright future. It helps us to learn many new and good things, and it develops our skills.
it helps to become a better citizen. Thank you.
So, well done. Everybody spoke very well because it is just first day. So definitely you tried well, and next time I think you have to speak very well. Sorry. So next time our topic will be for discussion importance of English language. It is a very simple topic today. We have only 1 month, and within 1 month you have to be a speaker, good speaker. Okay. So.